plan for today is to basically cut out the entire deck area all the way to this drain edge. So we'll slit that and probably cut it out in two sides. Want to get prepared for laying in a new deck. And yeah, that's the plan for the next round. All right, so we're back on the boat today, and as you can see, I tore the deck up pretty nicely, cut out around the entire exterior edge. What I'd like to do at this point is there's like PEX tubing, hydraulic lines for the steering system, but there's also like a bunch of wiring that I'm not, well, that one needs to stay because that's trim, but there's like the dual control lines. There's a whole bunch of stuff down here that I would like to get rid of. Tiller post, there's an arm on the bottom of that. That one's gonna come out. Need to trim out the glass around that. And yeah, at that point, hit it with a pressure washer and degreaser. We'll see how far we get today with the next round of work. So it's been about a month since the last time I worked out here, and what I've done is got this whole area ready to template. I've got a whole bunch of coosa over in the shop. I've taken 2x10s, ripped them down into 1/4-inch strips. So we'll use that for templating. So what we're gonna do is template this whole deck area all the way around. We'll be able to pull out the template made of this stuff, lay it onto the coosa, cut the coosa out. We'll figure out very quickly how much there is left over. We're gonna use the leftovers to build our deck stringers. So yeah, I'm gonna build some templates, I'm gonna cut the coosa, and I'm gonna get it laid in. So the deck template has been made, super sturdy, pretty happy with how it came out. It is very close in tolerance, so I kind of had to wiggle it a little bit to pull it up out of the hole that I cut in the deck. The next step here is to get coosa, basically build a little like temporary workstation. Take 2 pieces of coosa, because this is wider than 4 feet in both directions. I'm gonna have to glue 2 pieces of coosa together, glass that seam. I might actually just glass the entire bottom in a 90-degree, and then lay this template down on that, pull lines, cut everything out, set it into place, glue it into place. Probably before the glue up, I'm gonna put coosa down, basically build like a deck beam, box out the hatch, stuff like that, just to keep everything really solid. I'm gonna epoxy it all together, glue it, screw it, and then probably glass over the top for a final finish. It'll have some impact resistance. Yeah, this thing came out pretty nice. Next steps, put everything together.